reçoit bien, hein, t'as vu ça un peu? Ben, c'est incroyable. Hein. Et je l'ai contacté avec cette loupe. Et je me suis mis dehors et en avant, j'ai pompé avec le 891. Ah ouais, ils sont à 5000 bornes quand même. Hein.
Hello guys, so I will try my best to describe this antenna. Yeah, the main goal, in fact, it was to provide me a highly portable antenna. So that's why the idea to make this antenna. Of course, according with the diameter of the antenna, you know, it will provide a lot of a good efficiency on the higher band, like 20 meters, 15, 17, on 12, on 10 meters. But according with this configuration, that means about a 60 to 70 diameter loop, you cannot expect to have a great performance on the 80 or 40 meters band. So the main idea, in fact, this is to, in order to have a multiple configuration. So I show you here I will say the high band configuration. So what I did, I'm using here two LMR coaxial cable, LMR 400 cable with a coaxial plug here. So the shield is, only the shield is connected. So I connect I have also aluminum plate with coaxial connector, you know, and only the shield is connected. The center conductor is not connected. I did some tests with the center conductor and it was not so good. The performance were very low according with the center conductor. So I used the shield conductor, the outer of the coaxial in order to feed the antenna. So I put two coaxial. So the main idea is to increase the efficiency. So I try with one coaxial only connected or two, and definitely with two the efficiency is improving. Maybe I will try to test with another coaxial, a third coaxial, you know. I have some space, I can add one more coaxial, maybe later on I will do some test. So this is, for the moment, I'm still waiting for some part to provide remote control of the tuning capacitor. For the moment, it's manual, like that. So here, this is the coupling loop. So the coupling loop, it will depends the frequency. So you need to find an average line. So according with the higher band from 30 up to 12 meters band, the length of the coupling loop is about 52 or 53 centimeter. That's it. If I am using the loop on 40 meters band, it will be a different configuration. I will shoot another video to show you the other configuration. So according with this configuration, the antenna is performing from 30 meters band up to 12 meters band. I cannot reach the 10 meters band because my capacitor cannot reach below 20 picofarad. So maybe I will add a capacitor in serial. I need to think about that. I will see later on. So this is the high band, and I can say from 30 to 12 meters band configuration. I can also cross the coaxial, I show you quickly, in order to make a dual loop configuration. So it's assisting. I need to do more tests on that. So that means I connect here, and I connect the. Sorry, it's difficult to have the telephone on the camera. Unconnect here. I'm going to connect quickly. So you are now in a dual loop configuration. It's improving. For some frequency, it's improving. On some frequency, I cannot see any change, to be honest. So I need to do more tests. I need to do more tests according with this configuration, but I can do like that. On the ultimate configuration I can do, this is to connect in serial both coaxial. I'm going to shoot another video. So of course the center pole will be longer because the diameter of the antenna will be 1.3 or 1.4 meter. So of course the height of the antenna and the diameter will be different. But for this configuration, I connect in serial the coaxial on extending the diameter of the antenna, and I can achieve the 40 meters band with an efficiency about 15%. I cannot expect more with 1.4 meter diameter for this antenna. But just in case, I can do it. I'm not so convinced I will do it because the main goal this is to achieve, a kind of desktop antenna. So you see, it's very easy, not very big. So I show you now how I connect the capacitor inside. So yeah, I put like that. So this is the variable capacitor. Here I put some additional, shield in order to enhance the conductivity. On both sides, are connected to the variable capacitor. So of course, both are not connected together. They are insulated. So that's it. So of course, you can dismantle very easily the antenna. In fact, you can keep it, it's very easy for transportation. If you go for holidays, I will bring this antenna in France and I will come back to France for my holidays in the south of France. So with this antenna, with this configuration, yeah, it's really operating well. It's offering a decent performance, about 50%, from 20 meters up to 12 meters. After, for 30 meters, the performance are a little bit less, but let's say I can have 3 bands with a good performance. So that's all. This is just for fun. I built this antenna. I have one before, far bigger loop antenna, but I want to make a small one with a decent performance. And as I said in my Facebook post, I use this antenna to contact Victor 6 Delta CW mode from 30 meters up to 12 meters band without any problem. I was using 100 watt on, almost immediately V6D pick up my call. So yeah, it's not so bad. So my best 73 guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.